Well, hello. I am going to show you today how to hopefully fix your system so that your microphone is enabled for any site that wishes to use it, or you can allow certain sites to use your microphone or have access to your microphone. Um, so today, I would like you to first go up to the upper right-hand corner and you'll see that set of vertical dots, 3 vertical dots. Click on that. Go down here and click settings. And then all the way over on your left, I want you to click on privacy and security. If you scroll down, you'll see something that says site settings, controls what information sites can use and show, location, camera, pop-ups, and more. Go ahead and click that. And if you scroll down again, you can see under permissions. And today we're looking at microphone. Make sure you've got sites can ask to use your microphone. A lot of times it just defaults to this and it won't allow any site to use your microphone. So go ahead and click sites can ask to use your microphone. Now, hopefully when I go back today and I want Nearpod to have access to my microphone, I'm going to go in and see if it allows Nearpod to use the microphone. Right now, I don't have any sites set up that aren't allowed and no sites set up that are allowed. But those will fill in as I allow and not allow certain sites to use it. Hopefully this gets everything cleared up for you. Go ahead, try it out, and let me know how it works for you. Thank you.